Alright guys, so we made it to the mall. So this video is sponsored by Paul. Thank you very much. This is very, very generous of you.
Kanini Paul.
So he saw the previous videos, and Rachel, she's a single mother and she works a lot. And while she's at work, her two daughters and her son takes care of their grandmother. So it's not an easy job, and they probably don't get to be kids as most kids should be. So anyway, Paul, with a very generous heart, wants to give you guys a gift. And for the first part, this is for Donna and Umbra. 3,000 each.
Kang Dana ni kang Ambra.
3. And he just wanted you guys to spend this any way you want and just get something that you need or want.
Bisag unsa daw imong ganahan ana Dana. Imuhan na Dana. Oh, Ambra di ay. Andra si Dana.
And thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Kuya Paul.
Thank you, anas kamo.
And then the rest is for you to spend any way you want.
In kana sa imuhate.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Paul, for letting me
Thank
be
you
part of
very
this
much.
too, because it's a really good feeling making people happy. And Paul, I hope you get a good feeling from this because it's really, really cool. They definitely deserve this. So I guess no more talking, and we'll let them go and they can do whatever they want.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Dana.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Kana imong ganahan?
Ano mo ganahan?
Orange.
Okay.
Sakto ni mo eh. Sukod sa. Pakitang mama. Sige na ni mo Dana, blue. Sige na ni mo Dana. Rabbit ya ha.
Rabbit ako ma.
Dako ra pud kayo? Dako ko sunod ate.
Ano na?
Ay, ate Dana oh.
Para sa ari.
Iya tanan.
Thank you.
Iya.
Pakyaw Dana.
Pakyaw man Dana. Pakyaw niya oh, napa siya. Paliton din imong sandal te. Oh. Yan napa siya cute kayo. Ganan si Dana ani. Man to.
Andra. Yan siyang buwag eh. Iyon ako na rabbit.
Dana's favorite.
Ano? Pink?
Lamping?
Pink?
May tao. Ayo.
Oh, kanilang red ah.
Oh, pandaga.
Oh. Asa na di ba?
Sara, oh, yun ako na. Ay, thank you ha. Dito na.
Nice lunchbox. Ka-cute gud ani Dana.
Wala may lain.
Dana, oh, nagkapit sa siya.
got back and we're at Rachel's kitchen, and she's going to prepare pancit.
Yes.
Yummy ingredients.
And she wants to cook this time because she said she cannot cook for her kids
Very often because
very
she's always
yeah,
working? Okay.
So this one is the right day.
Yeah, it's good. It's nice to have everyone there. How often is your family home at one time? Is this kind of rare to have everyone home today?
Nagsara kay mo mag-auban dito nante. Kay duty man ka no. I asked her today if she has a day off. She said I don't have a day off. So sometimes I work night shift or day shift, so I don't have day off.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But this time she asked her boss to take a day off for her kids.
Wow. Well, thanks for the boss for letting her have a day off.
Oh, pa ni Day.
Uy, suka man lagi din na.
Kumpa lagi ni kung makunit. Day, magpalit ng matika, Day.
She thought it's oil. Suka man
Day.
because it's the same color.
That smells delicious.
Ay, buko. Matika man akong tanaw.
Oil gone wrong.
Day, magpalit
She
sa
didn't
dito.
read this. Silver Swan, like that. She just picked because it's color yellow.
I would have guessed it was oil too.
Uy. Thank you, oh.
Barbie.
That's one of the outfits she got, right?
Yeah. Actually, this one has a partner, but she chose that one a partner.
Di ba siya may namili ani Day?
She's the one picking her own clothes.
That's good. It's good to have your own sense of style.
Suka na ito.
Suka din na.
Put the pork. Next, carrots. No.
Soy sauce.
Yeah.
So that stuff is pong hum.
Hanghon.
And that's the pancit there.
Pancit.
And for birthdays, they
Yes.
do this, and the longer you have, that means the more long life you have.
Yes.
So she's shortening everybody's life.
But it doesn't take the what's that belief. As long as there's pancit, even if you cut it.
Okay.
So every birthdays, fiestas, they always prepare pancit.
Next, kasutanghon. Oh. Dito pa.
So in the Philippines, when having like a celebration, fiesta, one thing that usually is always there is pancit.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's usually like the staple, the glue that, for everything. Like
Yeah.
if you're kind of still hungry a little bit, you don't want to eat a lot, you just get some
Yes.
pancit.
Yes. Or if other food are not cooked yet, then kids usually grab the
The
pancit.
pancit. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So it's finished.
Yeah, it is. Ay, lami ani.
Kalamihan na na. There's a concert.
Yeah. We get free music.
This is pancit a la Rachel.
Very good job.
My name's supposed to be Rachel, but it was wrong in my birth certificate, so just Richie.
So they forgot an L?
Yeah,
Or they
wrong spelling.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Kasi paborito ni mo ni Dana. The
Ang
pork.
The board's your favorite?
Yeah.
Pork and pork.
I think that was my first time seeing it done too.
Mm.
Because we have this all the time. But I think that was my first time actually seeing it from
Yeah.
start to finish.
And she said you can put more ingredients if you have like sa tote? Repolyo like cabbage.
Oh, okay. So you can kind of make your
Beans,
own.
you know, ng green.
Green. Oh, lamin na siya. Dapat ang ganang katay. Kuan, lamin na siya. Daghang katang buwang.
Dana will wash the dishes. She's the last.
Donna's the last one. She's still going.
Oo, di ba primero mau.
Is this Noel's?
Since nito?
Oh, Noel.
Noel, okay. Did he make it?
Sige mo ni.
Papa.
Ben made it.
Ah, okay. Very nice. It's ready to go. Got some ammo. So what's some of the nicknames that they call each other?
Yeah, they have a nice sibling nickname. They call the eldest brother, they call him Dudong, which is meaning is younger brother, but he's the eldest.
He's the eldest.
Yeah, Dudong, and then they call her Inday and Baby.
Okay, so Indai means like older sister,
Younger sister.
younger sister. So they got it back, like they're just doing it backwards?
They call it,
Okay.
Yeah. Dudong, Inday, and Baby, like that.
Okay.
Very sweet. We'll show what we've got today. Rachel got clothes for her kids, and Dana and Ambra pick for themselves.
Yeah.
And she, as you can see, she's wearing that now. There, no? And then Ambra pick this orange.
Nice purse. Nice color choice.
Chinwila na.
Yes, and her clothes.
Ganda.
Dana.
Kaya ka dulong.
And groceries, they got milk, some, and then canned goods. Is that what they?
Thank you.
Foods, fruits.
And then Rachel was gonna go back with Noel.
Mm.
He's the eldest son. They're gonna get some things. They didn't know quite the size for him. And then I think they're looking for a watch too. Someone wanted a watch.
Yeah,
So
for Umbra.
yeah. So eventually they'll go back and get some other things. And then the rest they said they just want to have some extra money.
Yeah.
Just in case for things. So that's cool.
Upper. Thank you. Yeah.
Cool.
Merry Christmas na to.
Merry Christmas, yeah.
Pareho mo di cooler.
Do you guys have fun today?
Lingaw ba daw mo
Oh,
karon?
lipay kay me.
Yes.
Good.
Very happy.
That's cool.
Very happy.
It's funny hearing the personalities. Donna pretty much spent every penny. And she's like, you know, this.
Yes,
She couldn't wait.
Yeah.
And then Umbra, she only bought 2 things, right?
Yeah.
The purse and like a shirt.
Yeah.
So,
She said she wants to put her money there.
yeah, okay. So now you have a place to put your money. So that's very good. And it's nice that, you know, they're siblings, so they're kind of both at different extremes, so they can help each other. Because, you know, it's okay to spend sometimes, and it's also good to save. So
Yeah.
they can kind of help each other out. So that's good. So again, thank you to Paul. That's really, really cool of you. So I think they definitely enjoyed their day, I think. And now they can have some extra funds for emergency or for later on. And they had a really good time shopping today. So thank you to Paul and Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Kuya Paul.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.